good spirits, like considering crazy slander on my reputation, my name. Most importantly, before me, I got a 7.5-month pregnant wife that is being totally disrespected online with some of the most indecent behavior by our own people. Now, let me give you context, King. Cal, I already knew in 2015, after Freddie Gray protests, when I said, yo, I'm gonna try to build a Black Wall Street model, I'm gonna try to put together I said I want to build a Black Wall Street. Well, actually the community of Baltimore said they want to build a Black Wall Street. I always did too. So I'm like, yo, what's that look like? So I said, Black Wall Street is more than just real estate niche and businesses. I said, what kind of mindset and culture in 1905 to 1921, coming out of enslavement just 40 years ago, how did those Black people in Tulsa, Oklahoma vibe? What was their character? What was their energy? What was their vibrations? Like, you can't build a thriving city of 36 square blocks of 2,000 homes and businesses, movie theaters, hospitals, hotels, airplanes, bus lines, schools, churches, insurance companies, bars, restaurants. You can't build that and we disrespecting each other and we indecent and we don't have dignity. So Black Wall Street to me was always about an elevated Black people, Black community that came together economically to do for self, but also like treat each other respectfully, because we all we got. We know on the south side of Tulsa over the tracks that they coming for us. So we all we got. So we got to take care of our little hub right here. So when I formed the Tulsa Real Estate Fund, named after Black Wall Street, I literally was going to put the SEC filing in as Black Wall Street Fund. I'm like, nah, they ain't going to pass that. So Tulsa Real Estate Fund was code word Black Wall Street. And yes, it's a real estate fund, but the model was to actually be a Tulsa fund franchise, to do a technology fund, to do an education fund, do a health and wellness fund, to do a security fund. The small-minded people in our community who are trying to tear down our evolution, even in challenges of our fund. And I don't want to say non-success because then they'll spin that and says he thinks it's going to fail. What I'm saying is even during the journey of this fund, the learning curve of this fund, I have and our team has more information to give the community on how to build a sustainable collective economic model than anybody else has actual experience in the entire Black community of America. And I'm not saying that braggadociously. I'm saying factually, we have more experience organizing 15,000 of our people, mostly of our people, and from 22 countries to build and do what we've done. Even if you think it's not credible, it's not enough. If I had 11 million, I would have did X, Y, Z. I'm sure somebody looked at O.W. Gurley like, if I had 40 acres, I would have had 4,000 blocks of homes and businesses, not 2,000. I'm sure somebody looked at Marcus Garvey like, if I raised that, I would have had 6 boats, not 1 boat. But I did the only job that anyone has done to this level to the best of my ability based on what God called me to do. I just did my best.